This car's got a quarter of a tank of fuel in it. Seems like a waste to just let that fuel just sit there in the tank until the car gets dragged to scrap. So I'm going to tap that fuel and it's going to end up in my Falcon. As we can see here, the battery has been rigged up with jumper cables to supply the earth to the body. And I have used some crocodile clips to access the violet wire in the footwell, which is the live feed for the fuel pump. Now the fuel pump is working to drain that tank dry before it leaves this property. Doesn't sound like there's much fuel left in it. Maybe less than 10 litres.